All right, part 4, intelligent printing and labeling. This printing and labeling machine, the CF-T01P, Intelligent Online Printing and Labeling Machine, is specially designed for automatic labeling. It is designed for scenarios where customized information labels need to be printed. Equipped with a thermal transfer printer, it enables simultaneous online printing and labeling. On-demand printing and labeling greatly improve production efficiency. Depending on the different physical characteristics of the items being labeled, different detection power supplies can be selected to achieve precise labeling. It is suitable for package bags, boxes, cartons, and other items with relatively flat surfaces for automatic labeling. It is widely used in industries such as food, pharmaceuticals, beverages, and daily chemicals. Its advantages are as follows. It uses servo control for more precise label placement. Equipped with an imported Welli thermal transfer coder, the printing results are more attractive and stable. The labeling effect is stable, smooth, and secure. Optional, dual transparent, or multi-head printing and labeling can be selected to meet the needs of multi-label printing and labeling more efficiently. It can also be optionally equipped with product diverter conveyors, shrink collection lines, multi-row and row shifting mixed flow shrink lines, and more. Basic parameters. Voltage specification 220 volts, 50 over 60 Hz, power consumption 650 watts. Labeling speed ranges from 0 to 45 meters per minute with labeling accuracy of plus or minus 1 millimeter. Label specifications: length from 10 to 300 millimeters. Height can be from 10 to 100 millimeters or up to 150 millimeters. The maximum diameter of the label roll is 300 millimeters with a core inner diameter of 76 millimeters, a gap between labels of 3 millimeters, and a weight of about 70 kilograms. The main unit's dimensions: width 650 millimeters, height 1510 millimeters. The length of the conveyor line is acceptable. Choose 1.2, 1.5, or 1.8 meters. The width of the book is 260 HMI. The printing area can be selected in 32 by 75 millimeters, 53 by 75 millimeters, and 107 by 75 millimeters. This is the effect of our machine printing. Let's take a look at the application. Video applications. Our coding machine. Take a look here. This time, food boxes, food boxes, food boxes, direct marking on the food box. Marking and labeling, printing and labeling integrated in one. The printing effect is quite attractive and the labeling position is precise and accurate.